Well, Mr Hoary Rider's nominated me again, this time for the pocket dump thingamajig. So let's give it a go. Now, as far as I understand this thing, these are all the essential items you'd like to have with you in case of an emergency. So here's everything that I don't like to be without. Keys, so I can get back indoors. Phone, even though I hate the things. Wallet, empty, as always. Straight razor, so I can stay smooth. Shades, for better hallway vision. Nashville CD box set, of course. Harley Davidson and the Marlboro Man, it's a must. Cowboy boots, so I can get her done. Garlic, because everybody knows Europe is infested with vampires. Signed photograph of Princess Leia, for obvious reasons. Trilby, I never leave the house without one. Set of dumbbells, for when you need that imperative pump. Rugby ball, just in case. Guitar, because you should never miss a day's lesson. And finally, a katana, for those road rage incidents. And apparently I have to nominate several lucky chaps. And the lucky winners are Mr Shawn Smoak, Arizona RE, and for that Australian flavour, let's have Captain Cranky. It's over to you chaps. Empty your pockets.